Hi, Amit Sharma. Welcome you all to my channel Mathematical Coaching Center. So in today's class we'll determine part 3. Those who haven't gone through with my part 1 and part 2, the link is given in the description. So in today's class we'll solve very important past year's question. So let's start today's class. So here comes one of the important question. It carries 2 marks. So what you can see in this question, without expanding so that. So without expanding, that means you have to use the property. So what they are given in the question, you can see 5 7 9 2 3 4 3 4 5 equals to 0. So already I have discussed in my previous video that when the determinant will be 0, when either two rows will be equal or two columns will be equal. Means if the two rows or the two columns are identical, then directly I can write it as 0. So you can see there is no identical rows or there is no identical columns also. Okay, now what you can do in this is that you have to make by using the the fifth property. That's very important property, so I'll use that fifth property. So you can see here, if I'll add this to 2 plus 3, I'll get 5. Here 3 plus 4, what I'll get? 7. 4 plus 5, what I'll get? 9. So that means I'll do operation. What I'll do operation, that means I'll add. So left hand side I'll write as it is. Now you can see here, what I am doing is that C2 dash. That means column 2 I am changing by adding column 3. So C2 plus C3. Okay, so I am using this operation. So by using this operation, so 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 5. So but the column 3 will remain the same. Now in the next step, you can see here 5 7 9, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 5 9. So 5 5 7 7 9 9, 3 4 5, this as it is. Now what we got here is that column 1 and column 2 are identical. Identical means by directly that property I can write 0. So I got the answer. Now let's do our second sum. So second sum I'll show you in a different way. So you can see here 8 5 3 9 7 2 6 1 5. I have to prove it as a 0. So obviously we have to make two rows identical or a two column identical. So you can see here 5 plus 3, 7 plus 2 and 1 plus 5. So I can do that operation, but I'll show you this sum in a different way. Okay, little bit difficult way. So this you can do directly addition and the two column will be equal. Again by the same process you will get 0. Now in this I'll show you in a different way. So left hand side I got it. So what you can see here in this, I have used an operation. What I have done is that C1 dash. So I am changing the column. What I am doing in this is that 8 minus this plus this. That means 8 minus 5 plus 3 is your 8. That means 8 minus 8 will be 0. So you can see the operation C1 dash, C1 minus C2 plus C3. Hope so you got it. See, so 8 minus C2 is my 5 and C3 is my 3. Okay, so 8 minus 5 plus 3. This side 9 minus 7 plus 2. This side 6 minus 1 plus 5. So what happened in this method is that you can use the previous method also for this sum. Okay, so now you can see here, so 8 minus 5 minus 3 is your 8. 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. So what I got here? 0 0 0. In one column I got 0 0 0. So if I'll expand by this column, so that means 0 into 0 is 0 into something, 0 plus 0 into something and 0 into something. So I'll get, how much I'll get? I'll get the 0. Hope so you got this method. So you can use this method also for this sum. Okay, so this is your final answer. So here comes another question. This one is very important and this has come in IC also, CBSE also and the state board also. Now you can see it carries 4 marks. So you can see here 1 plus A, 1 1 1, 1 plus B, 1 1 1, 1 plus C. So you have to prove left hand side equals to right hand side. In the right hand side I have ABC, 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So what we can do in this is that, see, you can see here I have already got ABC. So first I'll take common ABC. So in my next step, so you can see left hand side. Now what I'll do is that I'll take common A from this, means row 1. So when I'll take common A, what I'll be? A will be outside. So what will be this? 1 by A plus 1. This I'm taking common. So there is no A. So it will be 1 by A. So this side no A is not there. So it will be 1 by A. This side also A is not there. So it will be 1 by A. Okay. So now what we will do? From this second row, I'll take common B. So B will be outside. So what will be this? 1 by B. This will be your 1 by B plus 1. This will be your 1 by B. Now from this third row, what I'll take? Common C. So I'll write C here. So it will be 1 by C. This will be your 1 by C. This will be your 1 by C plus 1. So we have done the operation taking common ABC. So you can see I got the ABC. And you have to write the operation. What you have done? Taking common small a B C from R1, R2 and R3 respectively. Okay, so now what we have to, you can see in the question what is there. You can see 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So how I'll get that? If you'll see nicely here, if I'll add this plus this plus this, will I get this? Yes or no? I'll add this plus this plus this and this plus this plus this. That means next operation will be my, what I'll do? R1 equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So ABC, now I have ABC. Now what I'll do? I'll add. So this will be a, so I am writing as it that way, 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So this side also I'll add. So what I'll get? 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So this side also what I'll get? 1 by A. So 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. But this will remain as it is. So this will be 1 by B, this will be 1 by C, this will be 1 by B plus 1, this will be 1 by C, this will be 1 by B, this will be 1 by C plus 1. So what we have done the operation? What we have done the operation? So you'll write at the side. What you have done? R1 dash. R1 dash I have changed by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. Now you can see here. I can take now common. So everywhere it's same. So I am taking common in the next step. So A, B, C. So what will be common? This whole thing 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So I got common. So what it will be now? If I'll take common, that means this already outside. That means it will be 1. So it will be 1 by B, 1 by C. This side also 1. This will be 1 plus 1 by B. This will be a 1 by C. This will be a 1 by B. This will be 1 plus 1 by C. Okay. So I got it already. Now in my next step, what I'll do? So you can see here. So I got A, B, C. So this side is 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Now we have to expand this. So already we have done expansion. So what we will do in this expansion, we will try to make 2 columns or a 2 row 0. Suppose if I'll make this and this 0, what will be? Now I have to open only 1. It will be easy because these 2 will be 0. So I'll try to make them 0. So how I'll make them 0? So you can see here, what I'll do is that I'll do this minus this. Okay, so I'll keep it as it is. So 1 by B, 1 by C. So what I'm doing, what I'll do is that this minus this I'll do. That means 1 minus 1. And this minus this. That means 1 plus B minus 1 by B. And this will be 1 by C minus 1 by C. Okay. So this side, what I'll do? This minus this means column 3 minus column 1. So this will be 1 minus 1. This will be 1 by B minus 1 by B. This will be 1 plus 1 by C minus 1 by C. Okay. So I'll write the operation. What I have done? Operation C2 dash I have changed. What I have done? C2 minus C1. And this is your C3 dash I have changed. C3 minus C1. Okay. So now what we'll do? Now let's simplify this. What I'll get? Now you can see A, B, C. What is this? 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So now you can see this will be 1 by B, this will be 1 by C. 1 minus 1 is your 0. So this 2 will get cancelled, so I'll get 1. This cancel, so I'll get 0. So 1 minus 1 is your 0. This also gone, so I'll get 0. This is also gone, so I'll get 1. Okay. Now what happens is that now my expansion will be easy. So now you can see A, B, C. So 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Now I have to expand from only 1 only. So I have to expand only 1. So into 1. So only this 1, what you have to do, you know, this and this you have to hide like this. Then what you see? 1 0 0 1. So you'll write 1 0 0 1. So as it is, so it will be ABC. So it will be 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So into 1, so what will be this? This into this. So 1 into 1, 1 minus 0 into 0, 0. So 1 into 1 is 1. So I got finally answer. What I got? ABC 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So this is my final answer. So what will be? Hence proof. Hope so you all got it. So this is my final answer, and this is one of the very important question. So you can see our question. So you can see here. So I proved 1 plus A 1 by B, this equals to ABC 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. So thus we got the final answer.